Hello viewers, many people are waiting to buy many tablets during Flipkart big saving days and also in Amazon, but sadly there is no price drop in case of many tablets, and some tablets were on offer at the start of the sale, but this time there is no offer and the prices of all the tablets have increased by leaps and bounds. Many users are actually asking me what is the reason behind the increase of price of each and every tablet in Flipkart. The reason is very simple. Actually, the seller in Flipkart have known that many people are waiting to buy tablets during festive offers, and if they increase the price yet also, then many people will end up buying many tablets by spending too much, and they will buy those tablets at a very higher price point. So at the start of the sale the price were very low, but after few hours or in the morning of the next day, actually the prices have increased a lot. And some people were looking to buy iPad 10th generation during this season or end year sale, but there is no offer on iPad 10th generation. Actually, you have to buy this tablet at around 30 to 31,000 rupees. That is not a very good deal for this tablet. So you have to wait for another sale, maybe Republic Day sale or any other sale to get discounts on iPad 10th generation. Similar case is for Tab S9 FE Plus. Many people were actually targeting this device to buy for many reasons, maybe the screen quality of this tablet or the note-taking experience on this tablet. But it is very unfortunate that there is no offer on Tab S9 FE Plus. In Big Billion Days sale, this tablet was selling at a price point of 22 to 23,000 rupees. But at this time, if you want to buy this tablet, you have to pay around 34,000 rupees. That is very costly for this device. If you want to buy any tablet in the Android section at 35,000 rupees, it should be Oneplus Pad 2, because that tablet offers more value for money proposition than Tab S9 FE Plus. At the start of Big Saving Days sale, the price of iPad 9th generation was about 19,999, and after discount this device was available at 18,500 rupees. But now the price have increased and you have to buy this at around 24,000 rupees, and after discount you will get this at around 23,000 rupees. So I don't think you should buy this tablet right now, rather you should wait for the next sale. Many people want to know about Mi Pad 6. Actually, Mi Pad 6 is a very good tablet with Snapdragon 870 processor. So it has flagship level processor and you can do all your tasks on this tablet, plus there is pen support that you have to buy separately. So if you want to buy Mi Pad 6, you can buy that tablet under 20,000 rupees for the 128GB version and 22,000 rupees for the 256GB version. Poco Pad 5G is a very good tablet and many users want to know about this. You can buy this tablet at around 16 to 17,000 rupees if you get the 128GB version, but don't cross 17,000 price mark for this Poco 5G. And if you want to buy OnePlus Pad, in that case the best price for OnePlus Pad is around 22 to 23,000 rupees for the 256GB version. So in the conclusion, whenever there is a deal and if you want to buy any tablet, you have to be ready for the sale. Whenever the sale starts, you have to click on the buy button to get the best offers on any products, whether be it smartphone, tablets or any other gadgets or clothings. So that's all for this video. If you want to know the price of any other tablet, you can ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. And if you want to know anything about any other topic, also you can ask me. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.